Hi there, everybody. How you doing? You are about to begin Module 1, which is going to be our first kind of real introduction to the work of the course. So the first thing I want to mention up front is you really are going to need the textbook because we are going to be sending you to the book to do some reading, to do some problems, and some of this is you're going to be working with each other on these problems, and so you really ought to have access to that text. So again, like what I sent in the email, I know you can order it through Amazon. The other place that I have had success ordering textbooks from is called abebooks.com. Abe Books is all one word. So you might be able to find it on there, possibly even a cheaper used version. I have looked a fair amount, and to the best of my knowledge, I'm unable to find either a PDF or ebook version of it. So you probably will have to get a physical copy. I know I've had at least one person ask me about another source or another text that would give you the same type of material. There's other number theory books out there, but it will be very hard to follow along, and given that we're giving you very specific problems to be working on. So I don't know what other books out there would have the same problems in the same order, the way that we're asking you to do them. So I don't see a way around having a book. Okay. If you're really having trouble getting it, talk to me. But there's not a lot we can do. I can't really make copies of the text and post those because that is against copyright law. Okay, so the next thing I want to mention is that I do have some videos in here. I'm still playing around with different ways to post videos so that you can both see work that I want you to see, and I would love for you to see me as well. I haven't quite figured out how to do both in a fluid manner yet. The software I thought I was going to use, the writing did not work the way I wanted it to. So you're just going to hear my voices on many of my videos for the moment, but I'll see what I can do for later modules to fix that. So really quickly, just Module 1 is going to kind of ask the questions of what are the fundamental properties of whole numbers? How do we rigorously prove statements about whole numbers? And what is this going to look like? We're going to be using some proof by contradiction. We are going to have you doing some work together. There's a couple of different pieces of the module, one in which you're going to be working in groups of 3, and I think one group of 4, and then there's going to be another part of the module where it's going to be pair work with one group of 3, because at the moment we have 13 people in the group, which, as I'm sure you all are aware, is a prime number, and unfortunately doesn't divide up evenly. I hope none of you are superstitious that we have 13 in the class at the moment. I'll just let you know a little bit more about me. I find 13 to be a very lucky number because I was born on Friday the 13th. So I actually like the 13 when it shows up. So hopefully that bodes well for the rest of the semester. Anyway, again, like I've said before, if you have questions, please contact me. I'll be getting through the material that you've turned in. At this point, I will be talking to some of you about a few pieces that I'd like you to catch up on, as well as looking through those diagnostic tests. So thanks for jumping in. And again, any questions, let me know.